Despite the current trend for hipster-friendly bushy beards, there is less appreciation for backs, sacks, and cracks covered in a thick layer of wiry hair. It's a chore that many can't live without, and that's where the fine range of the best body groomers, shavers, and best manscaping groomers come in. A good men's body groomer doesn't cost a fortune, but like anything in life, if you spend a little extra, you get a little bit more. I've found that pricier models tend to have larger batteries, cutting the amount of time spent charging, as well as electronically adjusting heads and blades that have been specifically designed with maximum comfort in mind, so less annoying nicks and cuts in delicate areas. We have listed the top 5 body groomers for men and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all the products mentioned in the video are in the description below. You could also find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, legitpic.com. Number 5. Remington BHT6455FF Shortcut Pro Body Groomer. Now, from your papa's favorite electric shaver brand comes the rather awesome, if rather disconcertingly compact shortcut. That's right, rather than staying true to the design formula that most companies seem to follow, Remington have put together something that looks about as small as your shaving brush. And, if we're honest, as effective at removing body hair. Although shorter than many on the market though, it has a blade that's around 60% wider than the most. This enables you to trim more hairs with just one press of the shortcut across your skin. This helps reduce irritation normally caused from the continuous back and forth you need to get all those stubborn hairs. It'll trim hairs to just 0.2 mm, giving you comfort and smoothness. As if that wasn't enough, the Remington comes with an extendable handle, meaning you can now shave your back in its entirety without asking your poor significant other to help. Like most in our guide, this can be used in and out of the shower, thanks to the special VTech waterproof tech Remington have equipped it with. For just 4 hours charge, you get a full 40 minutes of runtime. Number 4. Philips Norelco Water Resistant Cordless Body Groomer. This is an all-over body trimmer and shaver that can comfortably and safely handle hairs on your legs, groins, shoulders, back, abs, chest, and underarms. The specially contoured heads help to follow the natural curves of your skin. It also benefits from rounded and smooth-tipped blades that ensure you have a smooth enough time, while the blades cuts and trims easily. Like all other models, this is water resistant and benefits from offering you the choice between wet or dry shaving, whatever you prefer. You have a degree of precision too, thanks to the 3 guide combs and 3 lens settings. Even from a charging point of view, this is a winner. It only needs 8 hours to charge it fully, and then it's good for 50 minutes. Similarly to others in this guide too, is the fact that the blades are self-sharpening, so they don't need much in the way of maintenance. To cope with different voltage requirements and outputs, it has worldwide voltage capabilities. Number 3. Braun Multi-Groom Kit for Body. If you're the kind of guy that likes one device for absolutely everything, the Braun Multi-Groom Kit is for you. It works on all types of body hair, including the nose, ear, facial, body, and even head. With 14 different lens settings and dedicated attachments for the nose and ear hair, you really can't get a generally used trimmer any better than the Braun. This beautifully German designed kit also includes a foil head for those clean shaves, and if you're a man that wants a smooth shave in certain areas, it consists of a Gillette Fusion 5 Pro Glide razor as well. The FlexBall technology confirms to even the most contoured regions. Lithium-ion batteries give you 60 minutes of power on a 60-minute charge. Better still, the Braun is 100% waterproof, meaning you can take it into the tub. The price is also in the moderate range and includes a carrying case and a hard bristled brush for cleaning. If you got lots of hairs to trim in lots of different places, the Braun Multi-Groom Kit is what you need. It has 14 different heads, along with being 100% waterproof, meaning it's ideal for every man. Number 2. Panasonic Electric Body Hair Trimmer and Groomer for Men. Next up, we have the Panasonic Electric Body Hair Trimmer and Groomer for Men. This has been expertly designed to provide an easy and gentle solution to all that pesky body hair that you need to remove. It features an extremely safe and efficient wide edge and appropriately hypoallergenic blade to reduce the irritation that often occurs when you shave the most sensitive parts of the body. Thanks to Panasonic's ingenuity, you can trim or shave as close as 1 mm to give your skin a kissable smooth feel. What's more, it's got 3 attachments to give each area the precision trim you really need. That's the underarm and the groin blade for more sensitive areas, and the legs, arms, chest blades for less sensitive areas. Powered by a rechargeable battery, the Panasonic ERGK60S comes with an AC charging base, and after 8 hours of overnight charging will provide you with 40 minutes of continuous grooming and trimming. The groomer has been designed to operate both in wet and dry conditions and is easy to clean. Considering its price and its compact 4.8 ounces design, we can't argue with how good a deal it is. Number 1. Philips Norelco Body Groom. Finding the right trimmer for your delicate areas is about as important a decision you're likely to make. You get a trimmer that doesn't work well, and well, no need to spell it out. It behooves you to get a trimmer meant for your nether pits. The Philips Norelco Body Groom is, to put it bluntly, the best trimmer for your balls. Its dual side design means you can get a super close shave with a foil head or do a bit of hedge clipping with a trimmer end. The foil has rounded tips to keep nicks and cuts at bay, which makes it perfect for work below the belt. It pivots in 4 directions, meaning you can get all the contours you need. The trimmer end is also helpful in the lower reaches. Its 5 setting lengths from 1 by 8 inches to 7 by 16 inches give you plenty of control over hair length. How do you keep that trimmer working? A rechargeable lithium-ion battery with an 80-minute runtime and a 1-hour charge time means you can take care of all your clipping needs. It's also water resistant, meaning you can take it in the shower for easy cleanup. You don't have to use it on your balls either. The 2-in-1 nature of the device and its compact size means you can travel with it and use it anywhere. The package comes with a replaceable blade and travel case, as well as a 2-year warranty. This 2-in-1 trimmer and shaver is perfect for your entire body, but most importantly, your pubic hair. Fast charging and the ability to take it into the shower make the Philips Norelco Body Groom a great option. Let us know in the comments down below which body groomer you're going to choose. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please get this video a like, and if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel. Hope to see you in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.